Aconex is a widely used construction management software, but before you decide to invest, here are 12 key things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Aconex compares to its competitors and whether it's the right choice for your business. First, let's talk about its core feature, document control. Aconex is known for its robust document management system, allowing teams to collaborate on blueprints, contracts, and specifications. This is crucial for construction projects that require precise documentation and constant updates. However, compared to competitors like Procore, Aconex can feel a bit cumbersome for users who are new to construction management software. Next, Aconex offers a centralized platform for project management, giving teams easy access to tasks, schedules, and deadlines. However, if you're used to more intuitive systems like Buildertrend, you may find Aconex's interface a little less user-friendly, especially for those who don't have experience with complex software. The third thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Aconex does integrate with popular platforms like Microsoft Project and Primavera, but it doesn't have as many native integrations as Procore, which boasts an extensive marketplace of add-ons to enhance your workflows. The fourth thing you should know is that Aconex is cloud-based, meaning it's accessible from anywhere, which is an advantage for teams working remotely or across different locations. However, some users have reported slow load times for larger projects, especially when managing high volumes of data. The fifth thing is Aconex's reporting and analytics features. It provides detailed insights into project performance, but the reporting interface is less customizable than others like Procore. If your team needs highly tailored reports, you might need to explore other options. Next, let's talk about cost. Aconex is generally considered a premium solution, and while it provides value for large projects with high complexity, smaller businesses may find it more expensive compared to other tools that offer a similar set of features, like Buildertrend or CoConstruct. The seventh thing you need to know is Aconex's mobile app. It's available for both iOS and Android, which is great for on-the-go access. But again, some users find it less intuitive than competitors' mobile apps, making it harder to navigate quickly during site visits. The eighth point is about the learning curve. Aconex requires a bit of training to get fully accustomed to its many features, which could be time-consuming for teams without a dedicated admin. Software like Procore offers more resources for easy onboarding, making it a better fit for teams that need a quick setup. Now, the ninth thing to keep in mind is the customer support. Aconex offers 24/7 support, but its response times can be slow at times, especially during peak hours. Procore, on the other hand, has a reputation for quicker responses and a more proactive customer support experience. The 10th thing is its document and project tracking. Aconex allows you to track changes and revisions, but it can be difficult to keep up with multiple users making updates at the same time. Tools like Buildertrend have more streamlined project tracking, which makes managing multiple revisions simpler. The 11th thing to consider is security. Aconex has strong security features, including data encryption and strict access controls. However, for smaller projects, you may not need the level of security Aconex offers, and simpler solutions might be more cost-effective. Finally, Aconex is a solid option for larger construction projects that need detailed document control, integration with existing tools, and cloud-based access. However, for smaller teams or simpler projects, it might feel overwhelming. If you're looking for a more user-friendly solution or something that offers a better price-to-feature ratio, check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free. In conclusion, Aconex is a powerful tool for complex projects, but it's not for everyone. Make sure to evaluate your team's needs before making a decision.